In the inky blackness of space, a new chapter in human history is about to unfold. As our pale blue dot spins silently in the cosmic dance, NASA stands poised to embark on its most audacious journey yet. This isn't just another mission, it's a bold leap into the unknown, a testament to human ingenuity and a beacon for hope for generations to come. Welcome to the future of space travel, NASA's Artemis program. Imagine for a moment, standing on the lunar surface, the Earth hangs like a fragile ornament in the star-studded sky, a reminder of our humble origins and the vast expanse that surrounds us. This isn't just a scene from science fiction, it's the near future NASA is working tirelessly to create. The Artemis program, named after the twin sister of Apollo in Greek mythology, is set to reignite our passion for space exploration and push the boundaries of what we thought possible. But why the moon, you might ask? Haven't we been there before? The answer lies not just in the destination, but in the journey itself and what lies beyond. The moon is our stepping stone, our proving ground for the technologies and techniques that will eventually take us to Mars and beyond. It's a celestial laboratory where we'll learn to live and work in deep space, honing our skills for the ultimate challenge, being a multi-planetary species. At the heart of this ambitious program is the Space Launch System, or SLS. This isn't just another rocket, it's a marvel of engineering, the most powerful launch vehicle ever created. Standing taller than the Statue of Liberty and generating more thrust than 160,000 Corvette engines, the SLS is a testament to human ingenuity and determination. It's designed to propel the Orion spacecraft, our new home away from home, deeper into space than any vehicle built for humans has ever ventured. The Orion spacecraft itself is a technological wonder. Imagine a vehicle designed to protect fragile human life in the harshest environment known to us. It must shield its occupants from deadly radiation, maintain a perfect atmosphere, and have the durability to withstand the intense forces of launch and re-entry. Orion is all of this and more. It's our ark, our lifeline in the vast ocean of space. But Artemis is more than just rockets and spacecraft. It's a comprehensive plan to establish a permanent human presence on and around the moon. Enter the Gateway, a small space station that will orbit the moon, serving as a solar-powered outpost for astronauts and space experiments. Think of it as a pit stop between Earth and the lunar surface, a place where spacecraft can refuel, resupply, and prepare for the next leg of their journey. The Gateway isn't just a waypoint. It's a symbol of international cooperation. NASA isn't going it alone on this grand adventure. Space agencies from around the world are contributing modules and expertise to this orbital outpost. It's a reminder that space exploration isn't just an American endeavor, but a human one. In the face of the ultimate frontier, we stand united as a species, our differences on Earth fading in the glow of shared discovery and wonder. From the Gateway, astronauts will descend to the lunar surface using a new generation of landers. These aren't the spindly-legged modules of the Apollo era. They're robust vehicles designed for repeated trips between the Gateway and the moon, capable of carrying larger crews and more cargo. They'll touch down near the lunar South Pole, a region of eternal light and shadow that holds the promise of water ice in its permanently darkened craters. This brings us to one of the most exciting aspects of the Artemis program: in situ resource utilization. It's a fancy term for a simple but revolutionary idea: living off the land. On the moon, this means extracting water ice from the shadows of polar craters. This ice isn't just for drinking, it can be split into hydrogen and oxygen, the components of rocket fuel. Imagine a future where we don't need to bring all our fuel from Earth, where we can refuel our spacecraft using resources we find along the way. This isn't just efficient, it's the key to sustainable, long-term space exploration. As exciting as these technological advancements are, they're just the beginning. NASA's vision extends far beyond the moon. The ultimate goal is Mars, the red planet that has captured human imagination for centuries. Every step we take on the moon, every lesson we learn, every technology we perfect, brings us closer to that Martian dream. But why Mars? What draws us to this distant, dusty world? It's more than just the challenge, more than just being able to say we did it. Mars represents possibility. It's a planet that billions of years ago may have looked a lot like Earth. It had oceans, an atmosphere, maybe even life. Understanding Mars could unlock secrets about our home planet's past and future. And if we can learn to live on Mars, we prove that humanity has a future beyond Earth, and that we can adapt and thrive in the harshest environments the universe can throw at us. The journey to Mars will be the greatest expedition in human history. It will require new technologies, new ways of thinking, and a level of international cooperation unprecedented in peacetime. We'll need advanced propulsion systems to shorten the journey, better radiation shielding to protect our astronauts, and life support systems that can recycle nearly 100% of resources. We'll need to grow food in alien soil, extract water from the Martian landscape, and generate power in a world where solar panels are less effective due to the greater distance from the sun. But before we can take that giant leap to Mars, we must first perfect our techniques on the moon. This is where the Artemis base camp comes in. Envisioned as a permanent outpost at the lunar South Pole, this base will be our home away from home, our proving grounds for Mars. Here, astronauts will live and work for extended periods, learning how to operate in a low-gravity environment, dealing with the challenges of isolation and confinement, and testing the technologies that will keep us alive on Mars. Imagine the scene at Artemis Base Camp. Solar arrays glint in the eternal sunlight of the lunar poles, providing power to habitation modules half buried in the unconsolidated rock for radiation protection. Nearby, a team of astronauts in sleek new spacesuits prospect for water ice, their actions monitored by mission control both on Earth and in the orbiting gateway. In the distance, a plume of dust marks the arrival of a supply ship from Earth, bringing fresh food and new equipment. This isn't just a temporary outpost, it's the seed of a future lunar colony. Over time, more modules will be added. Scientific laboratories will sprout up, allowing researchers to study the moon in unprecedented detail. We'll learn about the moon's geology, its potential resources, and its history, which is also the history of Earth and our entire solar system. We might even uncover clues about the origin of life itself. But the Artemis program isn't just about scientific discovery. It's about inspiration. It's about reminding ourselves and future generations that we are capable of great things when we dream big and work together. Every time we push the boundaries of exploration, we drive innovation here on Earth. The technologies developed for space travel find their way into our daily lives, from the cameras in our phones to the memory foam in our mattresses. Moreover, the Artemis program will create a new generation of role models. Young girls and boys will look up to the diverse team of astronauts walking on the moon and dream of following in their footsteps. They'll see scientists and engineers from all backgrounds working together to solve the most challenging problems, and they'll be inspired to pursue careers in STEM fields. This inspiration is perhaps the most valuable resource we'll mine from the moon, the dreams and the ambitions of the next generation. As we stand on the brink of this new era of space exploration, it's natural to feel a mixture of excitement and trepidation. The challenges ahead are immense. We'll face technical hurdles, budgetary constraints, and the ever-present risk that comes with pushing the boundaries of human capability. But these challenges are not insurmountable. They are the fire in which we will forge our future. The Artemis program is more than just a series of missions. It's a statement about who we are as a species. It says that we are explorers, that our curiosity and our drive to understand our place in the universe is fundamental to our nature. It says that we are problem solvers, capable of overcoming any obstacle through ingenuity and perseverance. And it says that we are dreamers, always looking to the horizon, always asking, what's next? As we move forward with Artemis, we carry with us the legacy of those who came before us. We stand on the shoulders of the Apollo astronauts, of the scientists and engineers who made their journeys possible, and of every human who has ever looked up at the night sky and wondered what's out there. But we also carry with us the hopes and the dreams of future generations. Every step we take on the moon, every discovery we make, every challenge we overcome, we do not do it just for ourselves, but for all of humanity, past, present, and future. The road ahead is long and challenging. There will be setbacks and disappointments along the way, but there will also be triumphs beyond our wildest dreams. We will see the first woman and the next man step onto the lunar surface. We will see the first seed sprout in lunar soil. We will see the first child born to parents who call the moon their home. And one day we will see the first human footprint on Mars. As we embark on this grand adventure, we do so not just as Americans, not just as citizens of Earth, but as representatives of all humanity. We go in peace for all mankind, carrying with us the hopes and dreams of billions. We go to learn, to discover, to push the boundaries of our knowledge and our capabilities. We go because it's in our nature to explore, to seek out new frontiers, to ask questions and search for answers. The future of space travel is here, and it's more exciting than we ever imagined. NASA's bold new mission is not just about reaching new worlds, it's about expanding our understanding of our place in the cosmos. It's about proving that the sky is not the limit, that our potential as a species is boundless. As we look to the stars, we are reminded of our common humanity, of our shared destiny as explorers of the cosmos. So let's embrace this new era of space exploration with open arms and open minds. Let's support the dreamers and the doers who are making these missions possible. And let's remember that every time we reach for the stars, we elevate all of humanity. The journey of Artemis is our journey. The future it promises is our future. And the wonders it will reveal belong to us all. As we stand on the threshold of this new age of exploration, let's go forward with courage, with determination, and with the unshakable belief that the best of our journey still lies ahead. The moon awaits, Mars beckons, and the stars are calling us home.